Welcome back to our channel, Adventure Dog Lovers. I'm gonna take you along with a day in my life of packing for one of our trips. So we are heading to Tampa tonight. We're stopping in Ocala on the way down and then going the rest of the way tomorrow. We're going for the Kelly Chesney opening the Sun Goes Down tour on Saturday with Uncle Cracker and Megan Rooney, I believe her name is. But it's almost 8 o'clock. We got about 15 minutes until we have to get on the computer. So we're gonna fill up Brandy's food and make her tea and then see what we can pack from there. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. So I was gonna wear this necklace and then I'm just packing my bathroom stuff, and then we gotta take Brandy outside. And then I have this belt with the little blue in it to go with my Margaritaville shirt from Myrtle Beach. Just has like life and beer, very similar. Chill for the best results. There's a land shark on the back. Thought that was the best. And then my shorts. Okay, we packed all our bathroom stuff. We're gonna go take Brandy outside, and then we're going to plug in what we need to plug in before we go, like extra camera batteries because this one's on two bars, and then we're gonna get our computer set up for the day. Hopefully it doesn't take me until 9 a.m. today. This is a check-in. It's 11 o'clock. It took me until 8:40 today to get my computer up. So I get, I get 2 15s and a lunch. So we're gonna go, only I don't get lunch until noon, and if I don't eat something, actually I'm not too hungry. So I think I'm just gonna take myself a snack box that I make and put it in my office. That way if I do get hungry before lunch, I can munch on that. But I think I'm okay. So I just got these little boxes from Amazon, and I do cheese, pretzels, ham, and then a fruit. And I just prep these so that I have them available every day. So they're good little lunches, and they're good to eat on the phone. Well, besides the pretzels. Pretzels are hard. I don't want to choke. But everything else in here is pretty good to eat on the phone without like having chewing noises or something. And I always try to make sure I have my microphone up and stuff. So I'm gonna put this here in case I get hungry, and then I need to pee really bad because I haven't peed since this morning. And then I think we're gonna pack Brandy because I'm probably gonna pack my clothes on lunch, or we'll pack we need to do beach stuff too. I guess we'll go pack beachy stuff. So I have Brandy's boots. I'm gonna go get her I got this like pencil case thing from Target for really cheap actually, and I put her boots in here because it's easier than carrying her boots all around. But these are Brandy's boots. It's gonna be like 80 degrees, so I'm sure it's gonna be like way too hot for her paws, so we always make her wear her boots. And these boots are from Roughwear. Now if you do buy these boots from Roughwear, it's best to know that the boots come in a pack of 2, because when I first ordered these I thought I was gonna get 4 boots, but I did not. It was 2 boots. And they do that because sometimes your dog's paws can be like their back paws can be bigger than their front paws, which I did not know, so that was interesting. But yeah, they sell them in 2. So if you're buying Roughwear boots, just remember to buy all 4 boots. So you need 2 sets. Oops. And I would I'll make Brandy wear these on the beach until she gets to the wet sand, because we all know that beach sand can be really hot. But yeah, I just got this like little pencil case from Target, and then I put the boots in here and they fit nice and easily, and we just pack these in Brandy's bag. Now, we're packing up our other picnic basket. This also came from Target with beach towels, sunscreen, bug spray, and we're gonna put a rumple mat in here. But one moment, because all my towels are in my boat bag, which is over here. I did pack an extra towel because, you know, dogs. So I tend to pack an extra towel. Okay. Do that. Then Brandy's leash is also in here. We can actually put these. We're gonna put these in Brandy's bag though, because I don't want to like need them and then they'd be in here. Okay. And an extra aloe, just in case Brandy needs her flea and tick medicine, so we're gonna go put that on her actually, because Florida has the worst mosquitoes and everything. So this is Brandy's flea and tick medicine. We get this from Pet Friendly and it comes monthly in a subscription box. It's so nice and easy and always arrives on time for us to use. Got the beach bag packed. I got my backpack settled. I think I might bring a small purse. Probably not my Michael Kors purse because I don't know. Maybe, we'll see. And then I need a clear bag and I can't find my good one, but I do have this one. But we'll see. And then on lunch we'll pack me and then we'll get Brandy packed and we'll give Brandy her CBD 30 minutes before we go, or she'll be very nervous. I mean, she'll be nervous either way, but I think the CBD does help mellow her out a little. Okay, so new update. It's like 12:11-ish. I feel like my breaks are so close together now, but they're not. Or they weren't too bad. It's just I got stuck on that long call and I didn't get my first break till like 11 and now it's an hour later and we're on lunch again. So we're gonna start packing my clothes. So yeah. Oh no, my battery's flashing and we're gonna get a new battery. Okay, so we're all packed. We got like bathing suits and bras and socks and a hoodie over here, some curling. I never bring this to Florida, but I figured I'd try to do my hair. And then over here we have shorts and t-shirts and everything. And then in there we have all our bathroom stuff and I just have to grab my medicine and we should be good. Then we're gonna pack Brandy. My battery is still super low, but I got me packed and I got Brandy packed. I'm gonna go fill up my water and then I have to get back on the computer and then I don't get a break again until 3. That's probably around the time where I'll probably save it. Welcome back to the vlog. We're gonna do a part 2 of this vlog. So in the first part of this vlog, you saw me get packing and getting ready and everything for our Florida trip. Well, we're back home now, as you can see, and there will be a dog-friendly Florida vlog coming very soon. If it's not already up already, if it's up, I'll put it up on the screen here for you to go and click on to watch that video. So I figured since I did the whole pack with me, I'm gonna do the whole unpack with me. So right now it's 10:30. I'm making my lunch. I'm exhausted because we didn't get home until 10:45 last night. We actually beat the GPS, said we weren't gonna get home until 11, but we did make it home at 10:45. Brandy is exhausted. She also has a tummy ache. She puked last night, so I had to wash her bed. So now we're gonna go, which we didn't even hear her puke and she didn't wake anyone up. So now we're gonna go. I feel so bad. Now we're going to put everything in the hamper and take it to the washer. And we normally, we're weird, and instead of doing our laundry together, because we both do laundry so differently, we normally separate our laundry and do it separately. It's less fights, so that's why we do it that way. But when we travel, I do just throw everything in together and wash it. So let's do that. Okay, so I just got lunch break. I'm so tired. I don't know, I may have to make coffee. I don't even know if I have coffee that I like. Anyhow, I have a problem. I washed Brandy's bed because she puked earlier, or last night. And when I woke up, I noticed there was puke in her bed, so I washed it. Washed it on gentle. There's a freaking hole. This is Brandy's favorite bed. I just bought this bed like 2 years ago. I don't know how to sew, so. And it's big. It's not like it's a little hole. Do you see this? There's stuffing coming out. I don't know what to do, so just left it up here for now. It looks like I might be buying another one. This really sucks. Ugh. We're gonna go switch the laundry from the washer to the dryer, and then, I don't know. Then it'll probably be time to get back on the computer because I spent half a break freaking out about the bed situation. So when I was in Tampa, I got tea, so we're gonna unpack my tea. So I got Tia Bella. I got 3 flavors. So I got Florida Orange Blossom. It's a green tea. I had this morning. It was really good. And then I had Strawberry Rosé. Then I got Strawberry Rosé. This is more Florida Orange Blossom, and then this one is the Lavender Citrus Sage that I loved so much. I got that last time. So it's actually gonna put my Lavender Citrus Sage back into here, but I have something else in here and I'm not sure what's in here right now, so that's annoying. But we're gonna put these maybe up here. I think we want to try the strawberry rose, so maybe we'll make some of that before we get back on the computer. It's an iced tea. I also treated myself to a book because where Tia Bella is. It's in the Oxford Exchange, which is also in a bookstore, and I've gotten into reading more lately, so I did buy a new book because, I don't know, I just felt like it that way. I don't know, I just felt like it that way when I am done with the book I'm reading now. I'll have another book ready to go, and I didn't want to buy the next part or the next book in the series that I'm reading just in case I don't like this one. I don't think that will be the case, but just in case.